Hello and welcome everyone. Myself CMA Bhageshri Hule. Today we are going to discuss the new part of financial derivatives, which is a part of CMA final paper number 14 SFM study note number 10 financial derivatives. In that we have discussed forward and futures. Only question number 11 and question number 13 is left. I will provide that video later. First of all, we will start with the options, okay, because these are the easy part. So that your confidence will be enhanced due to these topics. So I will provide the question number 11 and 13 of forward and future in between, but now we are moving towards options. Okay, so before starting study note number 10.2, that is options, we have to understand some things in case of options. Okay, so there are two types of option. First is a call option and another is a put option. Okay, these concepts if you know in a very well manner, so that you can solve the options part very easily. Okay, so first of all, option, call option means what? It is a right to buy at a exercise price. Okay, it is a right to buy at a exercise price. Right to buy, it means call option. Okay, there are two parties. First is a holder of a call option and another is a writer of call option. Okay, so holder means buyer of that particular option. If I want to take a call option, so that I will be a buyer of that option, and who is a selling person means who is a selling that option is called as a writer. Okay, so this is my right. Okay, right to buy, it means holder has a right to buy at a exercise price. Exercise price means the decided price at which they can exercise their option. Okay, so right to buy means what? This holder has a right to buy. Okay, if he is having right to buy, it means writer has a obligation or a liability to sell at a exercise price. Okay, so this is a right of holder. It means writer will have the obligation to sell at exercise price. Okay, the more concentration should be on a holder, so that's why I have just written about right to buy. Okay, exactly opposite will be in case of a writer. Okay, if right to buy is of a holder at exercise price, so in case of a writer, it is an obligation to sell at exercise price. Okay, so for against which writer will provide this kind of options to the holder. See, holder, he pays the option premium to writer. Okay, this is just like insurance. You can understand the system just like insurance. Why we take insurance? To reduce the risk, okay, or to eliminate the risk. So like that, in the stock market we can take a call option or a put option to reduce the future risk. Okay, so in case of insurance, we pays the insurance premium. Like that, we are paying here call option premium or a put option premium. Okay, so here holder have to pay the premium to the writer. Against that, he is going to provide the services. So he is paying, he is receiving, so he receives the option premium from the holder. Okay, I hope you are understanding. See, we are just taking one example. If the exercise price of a call option is 50, it means they have decided the exercise price, it is 50. Okay, then the holder of a call option has a right to buy the stock at a 50 even if the market price is higher than 50. Okay, it means if we have decided the exercise price 50, but in the market price is running, price is going rupees 60, so at that time holder has a right to buy that stock at a 50 only, because he has taken a call option. Okay, it means it is just like insurance. Okay, if the value is 60, but then also you can buy at a 50, so that you gain the 10, means your loss will be reduced. Okay, if he don't have any call option, then he have to buy at a 60, so more extra 10 rupees he have to pay. Okay, so like that, this is the concept. See, this is the most important part you have to remember, because all the formulas are little bit depends on this concept only. See, why we take a call option? Okay, there is a reason to take a call or a put option. Okay, as a holder. Okay, see, if the market price is more than the exercise price, okay, so normally a market price, if the market price is increasing, day by day market price is increasing, so we can take a call option, because if we take a call option, then there may be any exercise prices decided. So in case in future the price will be higher, then also we can buy at a exercise price. So normally in a rising market, okay, in a bullish market, we normally prefer the call option. Okay, so market price is higher than exercise price. At that time, see, market price, suppose market price is 60 and my exercise price is 50. So obviously from whom I am going to take a stock? So I will take a stock from the writer. It means I will exercise my option. Okay, I will exercise my option. See, if market price is 60 and exercise price is 50, so obviously I will buy from the writer. It means I will exercise the option. This is a opposite case when the market price is less than the exercise price. For example, market price is 40 and exercise price is 50. Okay, so in this case, as a holder, I am going to buy from the market itself, because market price is suddenly fall down. So if I buy from the exercise price, it will be at a 50, but I will buy from the market, so it will be at a 40 only. Okay, so normally whenever the market price is higher than the exercise price, option is exercise, call option is exercise, and whenever market price is lower than the exercise price, call option is lapsed, because I am not going to buy from the writer. So option I am not exercising, it means option will be lapsed. Okay, see, these are the three kind of situation. What will be the position and action? First of all, we have to understand the action, then only we can understand the position. Okay, see, market price is more than the exercise price. It means market price is 60, exercise price is 50. So obviously I will buy from the writer. It means I will exercise the option, exercise. Okay, एक्सरसाइज जब करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं इन द मनी. ओके, एक्सरसाइज को इन द मनी बोला जाता है. उसके बाद मार्केट प्राइस इज लेस देन द एक्सरसाइज प्राइस, सो आई विल बाय फ्रॉम द मार्केट ओनली, सो आई विल नॉट बाय फ्रॉम द राइटर. इट मीन्स ऑप्शन विल बी लैप्स. ओके, लैप्स मतलब आउट ऑफ मनी. ओके, एंड मार्केट प्राइस इज इक्वल टू एक्सरसाइज प्राइस, nothing is difference. You can buy from the writer also, you can buy from the market also, both are same. So at that time नो एक्शन एंड एट द मनी. ओके, नॉर्मली ऐसा जो पॉइंट रहता है जहाँ पे मार्केट प्राइस इज इक्वल टू एक्सरसाइज प्राइस, इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एट द मनी. नॉर्मली नो एक्शन भी लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, या फिर लैप्स भी लिख सकते हैं, बिकॉज वी कैन बाय फ्रॉम द मार्केट इटसेल्फ, बिकॉज same price is there, but exact position will be at the money and no action. Okay, after that, so this is enough for the call option. If you understand call option in a better way, then you can easily understand the put option, because this is exactly opposite of the call option. Okay, so call option में क्या था, right to buy at exercise price. Here put option में right to sell at exercise price. Okay, it means there is a obligation to buy at exercise price. Okay, राइटर का क्या बनेगा, ऑब्लिगेशन टू बाय एट एक्सरसाइज प्राइस, एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट. ओके, फॉर सी, होल्डर मीन्स बायर ऑफ दैट ऑप्शन. ऑप्शन का वो बायर रहता है और राइटर इज सेलर रहता है, वो आप लोगों की पता है. ही पेज द ऑप्शन प्रीमियम टू राइटर, ही रिसीव्स द ऑप्शन प्रीमियम फ्रॉम होल्डर, देयर इज नो डिफरेंस, सेम. सी, if the exercise price of a put option is 50, then the holder of a put option has a right to sell the stock as a 50, even if market price is lower than 50. It means if the market rate is 40 and I have taken the put option, means right to sell at a 50, so writer has to compulsorily buy from me at rupees 50 only. Okay, so I will exercise my option. See, नॉर्मली कॉल ऑप्शन कब लेते हैं, मार्केट इज इंक्रीजिंग. नॉर्मली पुट ऑप्शन कब लेते हैं, मार्केट इज डिक्रीजिंग. सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस. सो मार्केट प्राइस माइनस market price is lower than the exercise price. Okay, market price is decreasing, so I will obviously exercise my option. Okay, so option will be exercise. See, मार्केट में अगर मैं वो स्टॉक और शेयर सेल करूँगी, सो आई विल गेट ₹40, बट एक्सरसाइज प्राइस में ₹50. सो बेनिफिट किधर है, एक्सरसाइज प्राइस में, सो आई विल एक्सरसाइज माई ऑप्शन. This is the opposite case. If the market price is increasing than the exercise price, so obviously I will get more money from the market. So market is giving me ₹60, exercise price is giving me 50. So obviously I will go for the market, and whenever we will go for the market, option will be lapsed. Okay, Now this is the last part, that is situation, position and action if the market price is more than the exercise price. Okay, so market price is 60, exercise price is 50. Okay, in this case I will go for market. Whenever I will go for market, option will be lapse. Lapse means out of money. Okay, and market price is less than the exercise price, it means here it is 40, here it is 50. It means exercise price is giving more, so I will exercise my option. It is called as in the money. After that, market price is equal to exercise price. We know that it is called as at the money and no action. Okay, at the money and no option. Okay, no action, sorry, no action. Here we can write lapse also, and if we write lapse then it will be out of money, but this is the exact position, that is at the money and no action. Okay, I hope you got this concept. Okay, based on this concept we will solve some illustrations. Okay, see, options, this part is starting from illustration number 19, but that concept you will understand if you know the idea about this next questions. Okay, so I will solve the question number 90 after solving 2-3 questions from this part. Okay, so just keep aside question number 19. Okay, in financial derivatives we have solved all the questions till question number 18 except question number 11, 13 and now 19. Okay, I will solve it after some time. Okay, so here question number 20. Okay, this is a very basic question, so that you will understand that concept. Okay, based on totally that concept. Okay, first of all, Sundar Ramlingam has entered into 5 put options and 5 call options in the different securities, the particulars of which are given below along with their exercise price and actual market price on the date of exercise. Okay, on the date of exercise. So basically this is the market price and this is the exercise price. Okay, call option, put option, securities names are given and exercise price and market price is given. Okay, so this is EP and this is MP. Okay, what is the position? Position means in the money, at the money, out of the money, like that. Okay, on the date of exercise, and what he would do, it means this is the action. So basically position and action is asked. Okay, first of all, call option data is given. Call option means what? It is right to buy. Okay, after that security I have written, exercise price, market price I have written. Okay, now just we have to identify what is higher. Okay, normally in case of call option, when there is a market price is higher, at that time we exercise the option. Okay, market price जब higher रहता है तभी हम लोग action एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, और पुट में क्या होता है, मार्केट प्राइस जब लोअर रहता है तभी हम लोग नॉर्मली अपना जो पुट ऑप्शन रहता है वो एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट मार्केट प्राइस हायर सो एक्सरसाइज, market price lower so exercise. Okay, see what is higher here, exercise price and here actual market price. What is higher? So actual market price is higher, here exercise price is higher, here exercise price is higher, here market price, actual market price is higher, here no difference. Okay, everything is same, equal. Okay, equal. Now before deciding position we have to understand, or we have to decide the action, so that position will be easy to write. Okay, first of all action, see, I want to buy. Okay, I want to buy. If I go for a buying to the राइटर, मीन्स राइटर के पास अगर मैं जाऊंगी तो मुझे वो स्टॉक और शेयर्स कितने में मिलेगा, 370, बट इन द मार्केट इट इज़ 376. सो मार्केट प्राइस इज हायर एंड आई वॉन्ट टू बाय. मार्केट में जाएंगे तो ज़्यादा पैसा देना पड़ेगा, सो बेटर टू एक्सरसाइज the option. So I will buy from the writer only. So here market price is higher, it means I will buy from the writer. So writer से buy करोगे इसका मतलब exercise करोगे. Okay, so this is a short trick that if the market price is higher then we will exercise the option. Okay, and whenever we exercise the option it is called as in the money, in the money. Okay, after that here exercise price is 450 but market is offering me at a lower price, so market price is lower, so I will go for buying purpose in the market. सो मार्केट में अगर मैं जाऊंगी तो मेरा ऑप्शन तो लैप्स हो जाएगा ना, सो लैप्स whenever exercise price is more it will be lapse. So out of money, lapse मतलब out of money. Next, here again exercise price is more, so I will buy from the market. If I go in the market then option will be lapse, it is out of money. I hope you are getting me. After that, here again now market price is more, so market is offering me at a higher rate, so I will go to the writer for buying purpose. So here I will exercise my option. It means in the money, it is in the money. And here it is equal means no action. Normally we write no action because both are same, right? And at the money, whenever there is a no action, at the money. Okay. Here now we will check the answer, but first in the answer, first table is for put option. We have to check next table, that is call option. Okay, just check this part. Okay, actual market price, exercise price, and okay, everything is correct. Here in the money, out of, in, at. After that exercise, lapse, exercise, no action. Okay, correct. Now we will go for put option. पुट ऑप्शन मीन्स व्हाट, इट इज़ राइट टू सेल. ओके, तो सेल करना है तो जितना ज़्यादा मिलेगा उतना अच्छा है ना, और बाय करते वक्त जितना कम प्राइस मिलेगा उतना अच्छा है, वो तो आप लोग उतना समझ सकते हो. सो इधर सिक्योरिटीज आई हैव रिटर्न, एक्सरसाइज प्राइस एंड एक्चुअल मार्केट प्राइस इज रिटर्न. जस्ट हायर थिंग आई विल फाइंड आउट. हियर एक्चुअल मार्केट प्राइस इज हायर, हियर इक्वल. Okay, here exercise price is higher, here actual market price is higher, here again exercise price is higher. Okay, now see, I want to sell my shares or a stock. If I exercise my option then 118 I will get, but in the market is offering me more. So whenever market price is more, okay, market price is more, so I will refer the market only. So here option will be lapse. Okay, see, whenever actual market price is higher, in case of call option we have to exercise, and whenever actual market price is higher, in case of put option will be lapse, because we will go to the market. Okay, normally just solve this type of question logically so that you will get the correct answer. So just think about you na, if you are selling to the writer, he will give me only 118 and market is offering me 122, so obviously I will go to the market. If I go to the market, it means my option will be lapse. Lapse का मतलब out of money. After that here equal means no action को ही हम लोग at the money बोलते हैं, at the money. Next is exercise price, means writer is going to offer me 350 and market is offering me 340, so better to go to the writer for a sale purpose. So writer के पास जा रहा है, इसका मतलब एक्सरसाइज कर रहा है. एक्सरसाइज मतलब इन द मनी, एक्सरसाइज का मतलब है इन द मनी. After that here actual market price is 69. Okay, and means market is offering me more, so market अगर more offer कर रहा है so market में जाऊंगी मैं और option lapse हो जाएगा, out of money. And last one, again exercise price is more, so I will exercise my option because writer will pay me more than the market, so I will exercise means in the money. Okay, let's check the answers. See, this is the table of put option. Just check the answer. Everything is correct. Out of, at, in, out, in, and lapse, no action, exercise, lapse, exercise. Okay, so here we have completed illustration number 20. Now we will go for illustration number 21. Okay, illustration number 21. Okay, so here question, given the following strike price. Okay, just remember one thing, strike price को ही exercise price बोलते हैं, और current stock price मतलब normally जो currently जो market में जो price चल रहा है, so this is nothing but the actual market price या फिर current market price, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो, basically market price. Okay, risk free rate of return, that is 5%. okay, calculate the theoretical minimum price. So theoretical minimum price we know na, e raised to power rt, like that formula we have to use, and time period is 6 months. okay, after that, if the European put option price is ₹5, then how can arbitrage to make a profit? So this is the something different kind of question as compared to question number 20. okay, that was very basic question. This is somewhere little bit different. okay, first of all, theoretical minimum price of a put option we have to find out. The formula is present value of exercise price minus current market price. This is the formula, just remember this. How to find out the present value of exercise price? okay, EP multiplied by E minus RT, and this will remain same, that is current market price. This formula can be very easier if we find like this. okay, do you remember that dividend amount divided by ERTD, like that just we have to calculate. So exercise price divided by ERTD, ERT minus current market price. It's very simple, just like dividend only we have to calculate the present value. So what is my strike price? Means exercise price is 200 divided by R is 5% they have given, so 0.05 multiplied by T means time period, that is 6 months, so 6 by 12 minus current market price is 185. okay, current market price is 185. So just we will calculate this. 0.05 multiplied by 6 divided by 12, I am getting like this. So 0.2241726, we know that how to calculate this 12 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. okay, 12. I got value like this, so I will round off up to 4 decimal places. So 1.0253 minus 185. So 200 divided by 1.0253, I am getting like this. So 2 decimal तक राउंड ऑफ करेंगे. 195.06 minus 185. 195.06 minus 185, I am getting like this. 10.06. 10.06. okay, this is what, this is theoretical minimum price of a put option. मतलब जो put option है उसका कितना प्राइस रहेगा, थियोरेटिकल मिनिमम प्राइस ऑफ पुट ऑप्शन. ओके, सो इतना प्राइस मिनिमम होना चाहिए. ठीक है, मिनिमम प्राइस ऑफ द पुट ऑप्शन. नाउ these are the cases, there is no connection in both of this. okay, this is a common information, but इसका और इसका कुछ भी कनेक्शन नहीं है. ओके, सो इसमें क्या है कि नेक्स्ट केस में पूछा है इफ़ द यूरोपियन पुट ऑप्शन प्राइस इज ₹5. ओके, अभी हम लोग ने जो निकाला वो 10.06 आया, मतलब उतना प्राइस हो सकता है पुट ऑप्शन का. ओके, इधर कितना है अपना पुट ऑप्शन, दैट इज़ ₹5. पुट ऑप्शन का जो वैल्यू रहता है ना, प्राइस, वो. देन आर्बिट्रेज के लिए प्रॉफिट कितना होगा, ऐसे पूछा है. ओके, नॉर्मली ऐसा जब रहता है तो वी हैव टू फॉलो दिस प्रोसीजर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बोरो एट द रेट ऑफ 5% फॉर अ 6 months. ओके, so we have to borrow the money at the rate of 5% for a 6 months. okay, current market price कितना है अपना, current market price 185. okay, plus my put option is 5. okay, see I don't have money, that's why I am taking this options, right? So I don't have money, that's why I am taking put option. So here 185 is my current market price plus my put option value is 5, so I am getting 190. okay, 190 I will borrow. okay, I will borrow, take a put option. okay, I will take a put option, means I got the money. okay, I got the money, now I will use the money for buying. okay, so I took a put option. okay, and take a opposite position and buy a stock. See, I am taking put option, it means right to sale. okay, सेल करने के लिए स्टॉक तो होना चाहिए ना अपने पास. ओके, so for sale purpose we must have a stock, so I will buy today and I will sell in the future. So that's why opposite position, it means I will buy at a spot and spot value is 185. okay, so 190 I just use the 190 by taking a put option and buying a stock. Okay, so here I completed my 190. Now amount payable after 6 months, it means along with interest how much amount I am going to pay. So 190 I took as a loan, or else I borrow the money 190. E raised to power r means rate of interest 0.05 and time period is 6/12, right? So just we will calculate this. We have already calculated, then we can just copy from here only. So it is same. You can just calculate it again just for practice, but I am just taking because same calculation is there, then why should I waste my time. So here I am getting 194.81. ओके, राउंड ऑफ करेंगे तो 81 हो जाएगा. ओके, so this is the amount payable along with the interest after 6 months to bank. Okay, now net gain. Okay, after 6 months I will sell my stock at a exercise price, and my exercise price is 200. My exercise price is 200 minus this loan amount. Okay, along with interest. So what will be my gain? 200 minus 194.81. My gain is rupees 5.19. I hope this is a different kind of question and you are understanding this. Okay, so this is my gain 5.19. See, I will check the answer. This is the first of all part A answer. Okay, and after that this is the part B answer. Okay, gain, amount of gain. Okay, so here we have completed illustration number 21. Now we will go for illustration number 22. First of all we will read the question. Okay, stock of a Swaroop Air Cargo Limited is currently quoted. Normally currently quoted को ही हम लोग current market price बोलते हैं. Okay, 112 as set the time value and intrinsic value of option. Now we will understand the formulas of a time value and intrinsic value of option from the following particulars available in relation to the derivatives market. So this is a put option information, and here call option information is given. Okay, see, I will just copy this information into the table. See, situations, exercise price, market price and premium. Okay, now exercise price is given in the table, premium also given in the table, and current market price is given in the very first line 112. Okay, so that's why current market price is same in here in case of put option also, in case of call option also. Okay, now put option means what? Right to sell, and intrinsic value formula for a put option is maximum of exercise price minus market price comma 0. Okay, if we are getting negative answer, then don't write negative answer, we will write 0. Okay, now how to remember this formula? See, what I told you, in case of call option normally मार्केट प्राइस इज हायर, मतलब मार्केट प्राइस जब हायर रहता है तभी हम लोग कॉल ऑप्शन एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. सो कॉल ऑप्शन में मार्केट प्राइस माइनस एक्सरसाइज प्राइस करना है, उसका डिफरेंट मतलब उसका टोटली अपोजिट क्या रहता है? पुट ऑप्शन. सो इधर एक्सरसाइज प्राइस माइनस मार्केट प्राइस, ऐसा फॉर्मूला रहेगा. ओके, एंड टाइम वैल्यू का फॉर्मूला दोनों जगह पे सेम रहेगा. टाइम वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू मैक्सिमम ऑफ प्रीमियम माइनस इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू कॉमा 0. सी, हियर फॉर्मूला इज maximum of premium minus intrinsic value comma 0. Just remember this intrinsic value formula. Here market price always higher, so that we will exercise the option. So like that you have to remember, here market price minus exercise price, and here exercise price minus market price. Okay, don't confuse, just try to remember one formula, another formula is totally opposite. Okay, so first of all put option information is given, so I am going to calculate for a put option. Intrinsic value, what is that? Exercise price minus market price comma 0. So I will show you in calci. Exercise price minus market price comma 0. If you are getting minus answer, then you have to write the answer 0. Okay, instead of writing minus answer. Okay, next is 103 minus 112. Again I am getting minus answer, so 0. Like that we have to complete. 109 minus 112, again minus answer, so 0. Here it is equal. Okay, so 100 and 0. Okay, answer is 0. 116 minus 112. I am getting positive answer. If positive answer is there, then whatever answer is you are getting, you have to write it. 120 minus 112, I am getting it 8. 124 minus 112, I am getting it 12. 128 minus 118, sorry, 128 minus 112, I am getting 16. Okay, 16. So here I got all the intrinsic value. Now time value is equal to premium minus intrinsic value. So this is my premium, this is my intrinsic value. If I am getting positive figure, then I will write the answer. If I am getting negative figure, then I will write the 0. So premium minus intrinsic value, 10 minus 0, I will get 10 only. You can check it on calci also. Here I will get 11, 11, 11. Here 12 minus 4, I am getting 8. 12 minus 8, I am getting 4. 13 minus 12, I am getting 1. Even though it's a easy calculation, but then also use calci. 13 minus 16, I am getting minus 3. Minus 3, so it is 0, because minus answer we cannot write. So here I got 0. Okay, you can check all the answers from here. Okay, now same thing we will do in case of a call option. Okay, so call option में भी वैसे ही हम लोग को करना है. So here I have written formula and everything. Intrinsic value, market price minus exercise price. So this is my market price, this is my exercise price. So 112 minus 125. Okay, I got minus 13, so I will write 0. Next is 112 minus 122, मतलब 122. Minus answer 0. 112 minus 119, again minus 0. 112 minus 115, again 0, because it is in minus. So next 112 minus 112, I am getting 0. 112 minus 109, I am getting 3. So now I am getting positive value, so I will write the value. 112 minus 106, I am getting 6. 112 minus 103, I am getting 9. Okay, I am getting here 9. So here I got intrinsic values. Now I will go for a time value. And what is the formula of time value? Premium minus intrinsic value comma 0. So this is my premium minus intrinsic value. So 9 minus 0, I will write the value, that is 9. Okay, 10 minus 0. Okay, now 11 minus 3, I am getting 8. 12 minus 6, it is 6. 12 minus 9, it is 3. Okay, so I got all these values. Okay, you can check the answer from here. Okay, everything is correct. Okay, so here we have completed illustration number 22. Now we will go for illustration number 23. Okay, illustration number 23. Determine the value of option. Okay, value of option मतलब intrinsic value, both call and put. Okay, what is the formula of intrinsic value of a call option? Okay, do you remember? मार्केट प्राइस माइनस एक्सरसाइज प्राइस कॉमा 0, उसका मैक्सिमम. ओके, और पुट ऑप्शन में क्या रहता है? एक्सरसाइज प्राइस माइनस मार्केट प्राइस कॉमा 0, उसका मैक्सिमम. ऑन द एक्सपायरी ऑफ अ स्टॉक ऑफ अ निर्मल स्पाइस फूड, ओके, लिमिटेड, from the following information, exercise price is given 510 and spot price on the exercise date. okay, इसका मतलब स्पॉट प्राइस मतलब जो भी एक्सरसाइज डेट पे जो मार्केट प्राइस रहेगा ना, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. बिकॉज जब भी एक्सरसाइज करने का डेट आएगा तभी जो भी मार्केट प्राइस रहेगा वो हम लोग को चाहिए. ओके, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट द मार्केट प्राइस. अभी रेंज दिया है कि रेंज कितना हो सकता है, 495 एंड 525 के बीच में. ओके, बिटवीन बोला है. विद द इंटरवल इज ₹5. ओके, ऑल्सो स्टेट व्हाट विल बी द एक्शन ऑन द above range of a price for both the options. okay, so here basically two things are asked. First of all, intrinsic value of both the calls and actions. okay, they are not asking about position. It means in the money, out of the money, at the money, they are not asking about, they are just asking about action. okay, so let's start. First of all, कॉल ऑप्शन का मतलब राइट टू बाय, इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू का मतलब होता है इधर कॉल ऑप्शन में मैक्सिमम ऑफ मार्केट प्राइस माइनस एक्सरसाइज प्राइस कॉमा 0, बिकॉज मार्केट प्राइस हायर होना चाहिए तभी एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं, ऐसा याद रखो. Situations I have written which is not given in the question, just for identification purpose I have written the situation by my own. Here exercise price is given, so that will be same in all the cases, and market prices range is given, so 495 after interval of 5. so 495 के बाद उसमें 5 ऐड करने के बाद 500, उसमें 5 ऐड करने के बाद 505 ऐड 5 करने के बाद 510, लाइक दैट we just increasing till 525. okay, 5 5 5 5 ऐड करते जाओ, 525 तक लिखना है. okay, so we have written till 525. same thing is written in case of put option. okay, just difference is in intrinsic value and action. so intrinsic value I am going to find out for a call option, market price minus exercise price. my market price is 495 minus exercise price is 510. I am getting minus value, so I cannot write minus value, I will write here 0. okay, so we can show calculation here. okay, बाद में रिवीजन करते वक्त आपको याद आ जाएगा कि कैसे क्या किया है. ओके, फटाफट से हम लोग करके दिखाते हैं. ओके, सो हियर वी आर गेटिंग माइनस वैल्यू, सो आंसर विल बी 0. ओके, आफ्टर दैट 500 माइनस 510 माइनस वैल्यू, सो 0. 505 माइनस 510 माइनस वैल्यू 0. here everything is equal, so 0. here we are getting positive 5, here positive 10 and here positive 15. okay, I got the values. now action I have to write. okay, अभी नॉर्मल कॉमन सेंस है कि अगर मुझे बाय करना है तो मैं जिधर कम वैल्यू मिलेगा उधर जाऊंगी. ओके, सो हियर एक्सरसाइज प्राइस इज 510 एंड हियर मार्केट प्राइस इज 495. so I am getting that stock or a share in a market at a lower price, so I will go to the market for buying purpose. so जब भी हम लोग मार्केट में जाएंगे so लैप्स हो जाएगा ना, so लैप्स. so नॉर्मली जितना जीरो रहता है ना उधर तक लैप्स ही रहता है. ओके, so लैप्स because market price is lower, so I will buy from the market. so here everything is equal, so then also I can buy from the market, so here we can write a lapse. okay, नॉर्मली नो एक्शन या फिर एट द मनी ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, बट अभी याद ऐसा ही रखना है कि इक्वल रहता है तो मार्केट में जाके खरीदो, सो लैप्स हो जाएगा. ठीक है, नाउ market is offering me at 515 but exercise price is lower, so I want to buy at a lower price, so I will exercise my option here. okay, exercise. here also market is offering at a higher price and exercise price is lower, so I will exercise my option. here also market price is more than the exercise price, so I will exercise my option to get a shares or a stock at a lower price. okay, so here we have completed call option table. okay, now we will go for put option table. okay, now formula for a put option is exercise price minus market price. so this is my exercise price, this is my market price. exercise price minus market, so 510 minus 495, I am getting 15. here 10, here 5, here same, it means 0. okay, आफ्टर दैट हियर माइनस वैल्यू 510 माइनस दिस, तो माइनस मिलता है तभी हम लोग 0 लिखते हैं. ओके, नाउ एक्शन. सी आई वॉन्ट टू सेल, सो एट अ हायर प्राइस आई वॉन्ट टू सेल. ओके, मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल. सो इधर एक्सरसाइज प्राइस में हायर मिल रहा है मुझे और मार्केट में कम मिल रहा है. ओके, इसका मतलब क्या है कि मुझे एक्सरसाइज प्राइस लेना चाहिए. so, जब भी एक्सरसाइज प्राइस लेते हैं तो ऑप्शन क्या होता है, एक्सरसाइज होता है. here also exercise price is more, so I will exercise my option. exercise price is more, I will exercise my option. here everything is same, so everything is same, then you can go to the market also. so that's why normally just remember in case of these long questions everything is same, it means lapse लिखना है. उसके बाद क्या है, 510 and 515, so market is offering me more, so I will go to the market. here also I will go to the market, here also I will go to the market, so lapse. okay, so just you can check your answer from here. okay, here answer is there, so here we are getting correct answers. so here we have completed illustration number 23. if you found this video helpful, then please like the video, do share with your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates, and please check my channel's playlist to get more videos on various topics, and also join the Telegram group. Thanks for watching, friends.